Today on JiffyWiz, we're going to unbox Hedwig. Welcome to JiffyWiz, where we make magic. My name is Andy Sharp. If you're new to this channel, think about subscribing right down there in the corner and hit that little bell if you want reminders. We do new videos every single Monday. Today we're going to do an unboxing of Hedwig from the Noble Collection. Magical Creatures #1. Let's get started. It's not working. All right, here it is. The Hedwig Magical Creature #1. It actually comes in a really cool container. So if you're one of those collectors that likes to keep things in the original packaging, this would be a pretty good display packaging for that. Picture of the castle there. In the back there, it's got a little picture of it. And on the side here, it's got the Department of Magical Creatures badge. It's pretty cool. I have a gold one of those that I got at Universal Studios. Nothing really fancy on the top here or the bottom. It's kind of like a thick plastic kind of thing. All right, let's open it up. Wow. Comes in a really cool display case. I don't know how to open it. Let me just pop the top off. Oh. Alright, so I guess the top kind of just fits on there and pops off so that I can take off the packaging here, the little twisty ties. Alright. And it looks like the base here, you can see, has a couple of books. Looks like it's got Harry's wand and the Marauders map down there. Really cool, very intricate. And then Hedwig here, he sits on about 4 different little books. And that kind of fits in between, in this little book here, kind of as a little display case. It looks like it's almost hand painted. Fun fact, female snowy owls have a lot more spots. And males are almost all white. It's got nice eyes. You can hardly see the seam. Good feather work. It's a really cool reproduction. It looks like the back here, you can see, I'll just show you like this. It is the common room, Gryffindor common room, it looks like. With a window as the display box, and when you put it over the top, this. It's a really cool display case. It's got the script Hedwig right here. It's got the Harry Potter Magical Creatures logo there. Great design for collectors who like to display their work in something that doesn't get dusty. It's already kind of in its own little display case, which is awesome. That is Hedwig from the Noble Collection. It is really cool close up, guys. The feather detail is just amazing. I love it. I love it. Noble does a great job. Good job, Noble. Thanks for watching, everybody. I've got subscriber giveaways down below. Check them out. Otherwise, we'll see you here next Monday for another JiffyWiz video. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you'd like to follow me on social media, I'm at JiffyWiz. I also have a Etsy store with Harry Potter inspired art for sale. Check that out in the description below. If you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe right over there in that green dot. We do new videos every single Monday. I hope to see you guys back here. Mischief managed.